Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over an example from AP Precalc 1.1. And remember, this is all about change in tandem. Change in tandem is something that describes how our two variables are going to change together. And on this problem, we're going to do a couple different things, looking at some features along with change in tandem. First thing we're going to look at is the concavity, so concave up. This is where your graph is smiling, and our whole graph is actually concave up on this one. So we're going to do this in two ways. You can write this as inequality or interval notation. So for inequality, you could just write all real numbers, or for interval notation, negative infinity to infinity, both with parentheses. Since we said everything was concave up, concave down, there is none. Nothing is concave down. Next part, we're going to look at increasing. So this is as our x values increase, our y values are also increasing. So from that minimum at b, going to the right. So x is greater than b, or we can say b comma infinity, and both would be parentheses because it's increasing. For decreasing, this is as x values increase, what are the y values doing? Are the y values decreasing? So we're going from that negative infinity to the minimum value here, b. So x is less than b, or parentheses negative infinity to b parentheses. For zeros of our function, this is where our graph crosses the x-axis. So in this case, our function is crossing at two different points. So we have x equals a and x equals c for our zeros. Last part of this question, y-intercept, where our graph crosses the y-axis. We have one spot here, which is at point D, so y equals D. And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.